Hi guys, in this video we're going to make our own Weebly website. So assuming you've logged into Weebly using your Google account, we're going to go onto this, we're going to go add site, and first thing you need to do is choose a theme which you can modify quite a lot afterwards. Then you are asked to create a name for your website. If you have your own domain, you can do that, or you can register a domain, but that will cost money. So we want to use the free version. Make sure it's a name that doesn't already exist. You don't need to have something that big, doesn't matter. Okay. So got your build, page, theme, so on. Let's go to pages. This has already got a range of pages already, so you can delete pages you don't want. On page 2, we're going to call that something different. Just going to call it page 2 because I can't think of anything interesting. Header type, I'm going to give it a short header, which puts that there. When you see this, you can choose a layout or drag elements here. Don't click on it to choose a layout. You end up with too many elements that you then end up having to delete, which takes a long time. So if I choose that, I'll end up with all these little sections that I might not want. So best to create your own layout. So go into build and just drag the elements onto your page. So here I'm just dragging in a few things. A good feature is YouTube. So if I drag that next to that spacer, you can see that little blue line over here. So that's giving me a small YouTube area. I've got my spacer here giving me 2 columns. I can make that bigger. If I wanted to go full width, I can just delete that space. I'm going to leave it like that. I can paste in a YouTube video, so let's go back to a video from YouTube, just copy the link, go back to our Weebly page, paste that in, and now we have our video in there ready to go. I can add more text. If I want an extra column, I can drag that into there or there, giving me 3 columns. It's better. Don't need a spacer there anyway, delete that. And I might not want that there either, so I can just delete elements quite easily. You can add in all sorts of things. A good element, if you're building with Flash, you can add in a Flash element. So if you have a Flash file, you can upload a SWF Flash file, put that in there, which is quite good, and that will work. When you finish your website, you can publish it so that it becomes visible to the world, and then you press continue, and when that's done, you then have a link that you can then click on and check out for yourself. There's my link there, which at this stage has not very much content on it at all. Let's go back to our website. You can change the themes, you can change the fonts. If I click on an image, I can click on edit image, and I can change the image to something else. I can select from the beautiful gallery of photos that they already have, or I can actually upload an image myself, which is quite simple. Just click on that. Right, so then you can go up to save to all pages, save only to this page, save to selected pages. So probably best to save it to all pages, just so that your website is consistent. Yeah, hope that helps. Best to play around with it, have a bit of fun with it, see how you go. Good luck, guys.